Hi guys, welcome to this channel and welcome to another make money online video. So guys, today we are talking about a different kind of writing, which is YouTube script writing. Yeah, so do you know that you can write scripts for your favorite YouTubers and actually earn from it? Yes, it's a thing, guys. So I was just perusing through Upwork. As always, I keep learning Upwork on a daily basis. Right now, like I said in my other video, I'm actively looking for clients. Yes. So when I was going through Upwork looking for a job that I could apply, I noticed that there are actually so many clients that are asking for YouTube script writers. Can you believe it? Yeah. So I think that it is something somehow new, yeah, that has just come up, and I thought that I should come here and let you know about it. Just maybe it could be your thing, and you can also go and check it out and see if it is something that you can do and get paid for. As usual, for me, my work is just to bring to your attention some of the ways in which you can make money online. It is your job, guys, to go and do further research and see if it is something that you can work on. So let me just show you on Upwork, if you don't believe me, just how many clients are asking for YouTube script writers, and you'll be shocked. So I am on my Upwork profile, guys. Let me just type YouTube script writer. So that is what we are searching. Let us see the results. Do you see, guys? Currently there are 890 jobs. You can read that first job, looking for YouTube script writers and also content writers for social media. For social media, we would like to make the most engaging scripts to make videos on our YouTube channels. Also, would like to write content for the video we are going to make. We do only faceless videos, so the script would have to be written in first person, speaking directly to the audience. Yeah, so that is job number one. You can see there are a whole 890 right now. Egyptian copywriter for scripts, YouTube monetization, looking for a script writer, looking for a script writer for my YouTube channel, searching for a great writer for popular YouTube channel. I want to see how much they are charging. So like this one pays $10 per script. Now I don't know what that means. I don't even know how many words, but maybe this is something that you will agree with the client once you get talking. Let me see if I can see what others are charging. This one is charging $75 for 5 scripts. Okay. Let me see. So this one is charging 5 scripts for $100. 5 scripts for $100, and they promise to give you bonuses and raises. Looking for professional YouTube script writers. A team needed for YouTube project. Yeah. So those are some of the jobs that you can apply to on Upwork, just on Upwork alone. Of course, there are so many platforms that I'm sure are offering that. You can check on Fiverr. You can also check with your favorite YouTubers directly, by the way. You never know when your services are needed. So what you need to consider when you are writing a YouTube script, I haven't dwelt on that area so much, but from the little that I have read, definitely you need to, just like blog writing, you need to hook the reader in the first 15 seconds. Because now, if they're not hooked within that period, then you'll definitely lose them. They will click away. And once they click away, chances of them coming back are very slim. So you need to make sure that you hook them, keep them interested within the first 15 seconds. How do you do that? Definitely go straight to the point. Don't, if you are going to talk about how to get clients on Facebook, let them know that you're going to talk about how to find clients on Facebook within the first 15 seconds. Don't go through the whole process of introducing yourself, telling them to subscribe and all that. You can always go back to the long introduction after this, after letting your viewers know what you're going to talk about. Okay, so and then definitely you also have to consider the length, the time that you want your YouTube video to be, whether it is 5 minutes, whether it is 20 minutes, whether it is 1 hour. Now this one, definitely it will depend on the particular channel. If it is an established channel, definitely you will be able to know, because now you can check previous videos and see how they are doing with the particular length of the videos. Because definitely there are topics that you cannot talk for 30 minutes and people will still be there. From my experience, unless you are talking about something that is very educative, or you are making people laugh, if you are good at making jokes, I don't know if you can do that for 1 hour, but yeah, there are people who do that. So if you are able to do those two, then you can make long videos. But if not, then play safe, because people have a very short concentration span. So, and then also definitely you'll know your audience. You have to study them for a bit. If it's a new channel, you can keep practicing. Maybe start from short videos of up to 5 minutes. Then maybe you can go to those up to 12 or 15 minutes. Then now you can go up to 30 or more minutes. Now, depending how they are responding to your videos, yes. And then definitely there needs to be a call to action. I'm sure you have heard of this. Hit that subscribe button. The way I'm telling you right now, please hit the subscribe button. Yeah. So call to action, you can, like I said in the beginning, you can tell people to subscribe, yes, but now don't make it too long. First and foremost, just tell them to subscribe and maybe put is it called a banner or what? Something that runs on the screen to tell them to subscribe. And then do this after letting them know what you're going to talk about. And then towards the end, of course, there has to be a call to action, whether it is to subscribe to the channel, whether it is to comment. You can also, if you have a course, maybe you'll direct your viewers to a different website to go and sign up for the course, or sign up to a mailing list, and etc. etc. There has to be something after someone has watched your video. There has to be something that you need them to do, right? So that is what you call CTA, or call to action. So make sure you have that. So guys, I just came here shortly to let you know, or to share with you what I just realized on Upwork. Maybe it is something that you're already doing. Comment down below and let me know. Yeah, I would also love to actually try it out. Like I always say on this channel, please don't just learn one skill and be content. Keep learning different skills, because that way you will never lack work. Also, you never know. If you don't keep learning, by the way, you might wake up one morning and realize that your kind of writing is actually not needed anymore. So keep practicing different things, like this YouTube script writing. I think it's a very interesting area, by the way. I hope you can check it out. I hope you can try it out if you haven't. and let me know how it goes. So if you love this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up, okay? If you haven't subscribed, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Join the family, click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you on the next one. Bye.